Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Obsidian daily notes for better knowledge capture. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Obsidian daily notes, start by opening the Obsidian application on your device. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the lower left corner of the interface. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Core Plugins. Look for the daily notes option and toggle the switch to enable it. Next, head back to the main interface of Obsidian. You will now see a new icon indicating daily notes in the left sidebar. Click on the daily notes icon to create your first daily note. The default format for your daily note can be customized in the settings. To set this up, return to the settings and select Daily Notes under Core Plugins. Here you can choose how you want your notes to be named and what template to use. Consider establishing a template that includes sections like tasks, reflections, or goals. Once you have configured your preferences, click Save to apply the changes. Now, every time you click on the Daily Notes icon, a new note will be created. This note will automatically populate with the settings you have defined. Use your daily notes to capture insights, ideas, and tasks as they arise. Making it a habit to document your thoughts daily will enhance your knowledge retention. Experiment with different formats and content to find what works best for you. Utilize tags and links within your daily notes to connect related ideas. Regularly reviewing your daily notes can provide valuable insights into your progress. And that's how to activate Obsidian daily notes for better knowledge capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.